In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up these bots on Deriv, because I saw that some different bots have different settings. Hello there, I have free Deriv bots that I will share in the description. So like this video and you can check the description if you want them. So after creating your account, we have this as your Deriv bot dashboard. You can just change it here. As you can see, you just choose the Deriv bot, and then here you will have somewhere that this is a bot dashboard. So this bot dashboard is the one that you can choose whether you want to create a bot or you want to upload it. So I can just go to my computer and upload it, or I can just proceed to bot builder. So here you can see this is the bot that I have been provided. But if this is just a simple bot, as you can see, it does not have a lot of information. So I can just proceed and download a bot that I want. Let's say that I want this one. I can just download it, and then after downloading it, I'll upload it. So let us download this one and see how it will appear on that. Okay, it is done already. Now I just import, and then I just go to local. I can just drag and drop it here, so that way we have the bot. I'll open it, and then we can see the bot here. So this is the bot. It has different settings. As you can see, it is different from the normal Deriv bot. So where do you find your stake? So your stake is this one. This is the initial stake. So when the bot, you run the bot, and it will start by placing this initial stake. So you can just edit it, and then if you don't want to keep editing this text, you can just let's say that you want it to stick to this stake. Let's say that we have a different stake here, which is 5, and you want it to stick to $5. So you can just go here and choose the win stake. Instead, you can just choose it here, win stake. That way it will stick to $5. You can just edit it. Even if this remains to 2, it will still stick to win stake. So we can just run this and see which stake it is using. So here you can see on the journal, it is trying to use the stake that I have set here, the win stake. So this stake, it is the one that determines which stake will be used. So I have a demo here. I can use it to show you here. So here we have the summary, and you can see there that the win stake is the one that has been used. So here you just choose the text that you want, and then you can just change it to the text that you want. Let's say that I want it to use this text. I can just change it. Let's say that I want it to use text 1. I can just choose text 1 here, and then you will see it will use the $2 there. Now here is the $2 that way. Now we have bots that have stop loss and take profit. So here is where you can edit your take profit and then your stop loss. Some other bots might have hidden that feature. Just make sure that you confirm them. Then different bots are made to be run on different markets, but there are bots that can do on all markets. So I don't think that we have bots that are much better than others. It only depends with how you use that bot and on what market you use the bot. Now I also have another bot that I have seen it looks a bit different. So I just try to import it, and then we can just see how it works. So here I had another bot. Let me try to see it where it went. So let's see this one. So here we have the bot that I was talking about. So this bot has at least more features, as you can see, but I can show you we have the profit here, and then we have the loss. It is just that it is using a different language. So as we can see here, so you can just edit it and you can enter the value that you need for the stake. Choose the stake that you want it to be used. So we have the initial stake, and then it goes to the win amount. So in this bot, they have coded in a way that it will use the initial stake. Let's say that if we have $1 here, it will first use the initial stake on the first trade, and on the second trade it will use $1. That is what I can interpret from this information. And then we have something that I can see here, that after it has placed an order, it has, let's say that it entered the first market, the first trade. Now it will delay for 10 to 20 seconds before entering another market. So at the second, so the first trade, it enters with 2. Then those other trades, it sticks to 1. So I can just run it and show you. But if you want it to stick to, let's say that you want it to stick to $2 or $1, you can just edit it here, or you can just equalize these amounts. So you can just equalize them and then you can run it. So after doing that, run it. So it is just waiting, and then it will enter the market. But I don't have money here. I can just change to the demo. And then something you need to know is that after you make changes to the bot when it is running, those changes do not affect the bot when it is running. But when you make the changes and then you run it, it will be affected. So make sure that you note that down, so that you don't expect those changes to affect a running bot. So here you can just download these bots, test them, find a bot that you think is the best for you. So this bot I saw it was working best for me. I can just download it and then try it for myself. So, and I also have another one that I found here. So this one are a bit tricky to download them, but I have a video that shows how to convert this into bots. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comment section.